Hi everyone, hello, and today we'll see how to print this pattern in the Java. And for this, I have to create a new class, and I have to give the class name, say pattern underscore one. Why underscore? If I give a space, it won't accept. For this, you need to give the pattern one with the underscore. Instead of space, you have to give the underscore. Then click OK. Open now. If I have created a new pattern, it will update here in the folder. The last time I have created a Java project, so in that only everything will be open. If you launch this package, then this Blue Java programs will be open. In this, you have to write script Python Java program by creating a new class. So when how many class you are launching, and that many number of files will be created here with their extensions. So let's write the program for this pattern. Let's arrange in such a way that it will be easier deleting. So for this printing this pattern, I will write a program import java dot io dot star class pattern 1. Which pattern? The class name that I have given earlier, underscore one, curly bracket, public, static, void, main, string, arguments, throws, IOE, exception. Now, for printing this pattern, you need a loop. Why I need a loop? Because if you see this pattern, it is in the two dimension. It covers entire row as well as entire column also, entire row and column. So this is the, if I consider this is the first row and first column, it is having 2. If I go for the next row, it is 2. If I go for third row, it is 3. As many number of rows is the count of the number of stars on that row. So first for loop, for in I equals to 0, I am having the number of rows is 5. That's why I have given 5. Now increment. This is for rows. Now I have to give for columns. I will explain you after writing the whole program. So for now I am giving j less than equals to I j plus plus system dot out dot print star with space system out dot print ln system dot out dot print ln curly bracket off, curly bracket, curly bracket, and this is for columns. If I compile this, no syntax error. no syntax error. Now if I going to execute void main method call pop up, if I click OK, this is the output. This is the output. Okay. Now I will explain step by step. In the outer loop, for loop is for rows and inner loop for columns. Why? Reason is that I have counting the outer loop for the 5 times, which indicates the 5 rows. For the first row, I am checking the condition with the inner loop whether j count is equal to the value of I. I'm checking the condition here. It is true. So it will print a star with a space. Again, I will increment the inner loop j plus. It is 1. Then the condition is 1 is less than equals to the 0 false. So if it is the false, then it will come out of the this inner loop. Then it will print to the next line. So the cursor was here. Now the my cursor came here. Now, after coming out of the loop, after printing ln, it is incrementing. Outer loop is incrementing. So I am going for the next row. So the again the count will be from starting from the 0 to the value of 1 because it is incremented just now. So 0 to 1. Now new updated value will be 1. Now, our inner loop will execute starting from 0 to updated value of I, means 0 to 1. 0 less than equals to 1 true, 1 again j plus plus. Now it became 1. 1 less than equals to the value of I, means 1 is true, so it will execute for the 2 times. So when it is executing for the 2 times, it will print star 2 times. Star is 2 times. Now again j plus plus. Once it is getting j plus plus, the value is updated to value 2. Now when the value is 2, it will check 2 less than equals to 1 false. If it is getting false, then the print ln will execute. So my cursor will be coming to the next row. Okay. Again, when after coming out of the inner loop, I plus plus will be incrementing to value 2. Earlier it was 1, now it is incremented to 2. Once it is getting incremented to the now again the inner loop will check for the values 0, 1 and 2 here. So total 3 times 0, 1, 2 because the condition is still 0 less than equals to 2. Okay, so it will print for 3 times, so it is executed 3 times. When it is j plus plus, then the condition become false, then it will execute the to the next line. Next it will increment again like that. The it will execute for the 5 times. Rows will be counted for 5 times, and columns number of the stars is calculated as per this condition. Okay. Now what is why it will increment? So this is a syntax of the for loop for initialization, condition and updation. Okay, so once it is initialized, it will check condition. After checking the condition, it will execute the loop. Okay, and after executing the loop, it will increment. Again same process: initialization, condition, updation. Initialization, condition, execution, updation. Initialization, condition, execution and increment, updation. That's how it is executed. That's it. Thank you. If you have any doubts or any patterns, say let me know in the comments. I will explain you, and it will be more clearer for you while explanation. So I'm waiting for your comments. That's it. Thank you.